All right, guys, welcome back. Danny here with Pro Transmissions and Automotive of Athens. All right, guys, I'm sorry I'm doing a voiceover. This is on the same day I was doing the other one, and I didn't realize we had a bad mic, so bear with me. But today's client is a 1995 Ford Bronco. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful truck. I can't talk any better or highly about this vehicle. But this vehicle had been already to a few other shops. Had three other computers replaced. Had a more so rebuilt. That one was a remanufactured computer from Flagship, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong. But with that being said, another shop had replaced the engine on it. They'd done a few wiring repairs on it on the engine bay. And what we had found was that the transmission kept on going in limp mode and it consistently had EPC failure. So this is what we found after we dug a little bit into it. If you look at this connector right here, somebody had already taped it, and it had a 12-volt reference and a 5-volt, or sorry, 12-volt for the EPC and a 5-volt reference for the EPC solenoid circuit. And the 5-volt circuit wire was touching on the 12-volt circuit wire. Unfortunately, on this vehicle, the driver for the ECU is an unprotected circuit. So when the 12-volt circuit touched the 5-volt circuit, it fried the driver. It took this customer almost 2 or 3 months to find a computer for it. We couldn't find one, unfortunately, but they did find one. They matched it to the specific VIN codes, to the specific um, details to this truck. We put it in, and it works beautifully. I just cannot believe that these other shops just couldn't find it. That was a simple, simple fix. Granted, we still have the old snap-on brick to be able to look at these vehicles, or at least look at this Ford. So that's how we were able to find out what the code was and find out what's going on with it. But guys, if you're doing this kind of work, take pride in your work, take pride in what you're doing, and actually take the time to find out what's going on and dig into it. But we'll catch you on the next one, guys. See you.